Why do 70% of vegans struggle with quick, budget-friendly meals? Let's solve that problem today. Let's dive into 4 budget-friendly vegan recipes you can make in a flash. First up, we've got a chickpea salad sandwich. Mash a can of chickpeas, mix with vegan mayo, diced celery, and a splash of lemon juice. Slap it on some whole grain bread, and boom, lunch is ready. Next, try a speedy veggie stir fry. Just toss some mixed veggies in a hot pan with soy sauce and a bit of garlic. Spoon it over rice and you've got a meal in minutes. For a hearty option, whip up some lentil tacos. Cook lentils with taco seasoning, then pile them high in corn tortillas with your fave toppings. Last but not least, banana ice cream. Freeze ripe bananas, blend them until creamy, and enjoy a guilt-free dessert. Amazing! Quick, easy, and vegan recipes on a budget. Want more budget-friendly recipes? Like, share and subscribe to our channel. What are you waiting for? It's time to eat. Enjoy!